Hi, I'm Craig from Truck Smart Isuzu here in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. I'm here today to show you a 2024 brand new Ram 5500 that we just upfitted. It has an 11-foot utility body. It's an aluminum utility body by the Voth company. Great thing to know about us here at Truck Smart is that we don't send these trucks out to have them built. We build them here right on site. We have our own fabricating department. I'll take you for a walk around the truck, show you inside the cabinets. And you'll notice once again, all inside is aluminum and the shelving. Walking around the back, around this side, same cabinet storage. And if I didn't mention already, you probably noticed this is a crew cab model as well, so you can fit 4 to 5 of your crew members in this truck. So I'd like to show you the inside of the truck now. Before I do that, I do want to remind everybody out there that Truck Smart is having a huge end of the month, August, Labor Day sale event where we are basically taking any reasonable offers on these trucks. So don't be afraid to call me. I'll give you my number at the end of this video. So this truck also is upfitted, if I didn't say earlier, with the 6.7 liter Cummins engine, and it is a 4x4. Inside the truck, you'll notice like these leatherette seats, AM/FM stereo, Bluetooth capable, power windows, power door locks, cruise control, and power mirrors. I would like to thank you guys all for taking the time and watching my video today. I can be reached at 215-946-7221 or my cell phone anytime at 215-939-6689. I hope you all have a great holiday out there as well.